Welcome to my channel, guys. I'm your host Oversoul, and today I'm going to be showing you how I get my Razer X here and here, just a regular USB mic, sound as good as it does now, like how you guys are hearing it. And it's an application I use called VoiceMeter. I'll show you guys how to set it up and do little enhancements, some fine tuning, and you can turn your USB mic into essentially an XLR quality-ish. But anyway, yeah, here we go. So first thing you want to do is go Google up VoiceMeter, and the first link should show up and it will bring you to this website. And you got the choice between VoiceMeter, VoiceMeter Banana, Potato. You could download VoiceMeter just to simplify it. I recommend Banana because you're gonna have some better options later. And you're gonna want to scroll down, go to the zip package, download that, install it, and restart your computer. And once it is up, you're gonna want to make sure it opens first. Like, I have VoiceMeter Potato. It's got a lot more panels, but it's all the same thing. But first thing you want to do is go into your sounds. Click on your sounds. You can right click the icon over here and click sounds, or you can go into the control panel, the search bar, and type in sounds, and it'll show you the little sound icon, control panel underneath, blah blah blah, all that. So you can access it that way. Anyway, we're gonna go to sounds, and what you're gonna want to do is you go to playback on the first tab, and you're gonna want to find your speakers. If you have your headphones directly plugged into the PC, this should be it, but you can tell which one you're gonna be using by the voice levels. But anyway, yeah, so set the headphones or speakers, whatever you're gonna want to listen to, set that to default, and then you're gonna want to scroll down and then find VoiceMeter aux input. Click on that and then set that as default. That way, it sets that VoiceMeter as the default one, because you are gonna have to have this whole you're gonna have to have VoiceMeter open in order for it to work. And then you're gonna want to go to recording, go down, find the microphone that you're gonna be using over here. Like mine's the Razer Serum X. Then you're gonna set that to default, and then you're gonna go to VoiceMeter aux output, and then you're gonna set that to default. That way it falls on each other, making sure that that's gonna be the device that you're using. Okay, so that's all set up. Then you're gonna want to open up VoiceMeter. So over here, it looks a little complicated. Yeah, I do have Potato, but it's essentially the same thing. So you're gonna want to go to this first panel to the left, click on it, and you're gonna click WDM and whatever your microphone is. So yeah, mine is the Razer Serum X, and you can see it's picking up because of the levels down here. And if you want to hear yourself, you want to click A1, and that's how you can do the enhancements over here that I'll show you later. But real quick, let's go all the way to the right to hardware out, and you're gonna click on A1 over here, and then you're gonna want to select WDM speakers. That's gonna be whatever you're listening through, either your headphones or actual speakers. And that's basically all you have to do in order to set up the input and output. And so everything's gonna come default. So this is how my mic sounds normally, and this is how it sounds without the enhancements. So you can take this square and drag it around wherever you feel like it, and to make it sound like over here, it's a lot more bassy, but as you go up, it gets a little bit crisper. I like to put it around here. It's the medium. It's got a little bit more bass, and it's a lot clearer with everything I am saying. And once you figure that out, you can set a noise gate over here. So noise gate will prevent background noise from coming. So what I usually do is I sit in my normal position, and then I keep on tuning this up until it can't hear me while I'm whispering. So yeah, so around there. So you just sit back in your normal sitting position and just try to like slightly like a loud whisper, and if it doesn't pick that up, then lower it. But yeah, you can play with that. That way you can get rid of the keyboard noises, air conditioning, or whatever, at least when you're not speaking. Like while I'm speaking, you guys can hear my keyboard going off, but as soon as I stop talking, yeah. Also, make sure all the B values over here are lit up. And once again, if you do want to hear yourself, click the A1 and then turn it off if you don't want to hear it. You could also set it as mono or not. Mono, where it'll pick up all the noise so you won't hear like left and right sounds. If you have mono on. And if you don't, it's gonna pick up like where your voice would be in the room in comparison to where the mic is at. Also, you want to go into a menu, and then you're gonna want to click on the auto restart engine and system tray, run at startup, because you're gonna need this to be on in the background in order for it to work. It doesn't really take that much of a hit on your CPU. It's pretty minimal with that. And then always show app on startup, that way you can just like minimize it and it'll be out of the way. And yeah, that's all you need to do for now, because you can exit out of VoiceMeter and it'll still run. It'll still be in the background. So there's that. That's it for the video, guys. I just want to make a quick, simple video. Make sure you go in the comments, tell me if you have any issues, if you need more help, if I need to do a video that goes more in depth with it. And yeah, if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, follow my socials. Everything will be in the descriptions. And yeah, y'all have a good one.